This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Roblox on your PS4 and loading the game scene where you want to adjust view. Once there, press the Options button on the controller to open the in-game menu. This is faster than quitting or changing console settings. Make sure your TV input and PS4 resolution are stable so changes take effect reliably. If the game has its own display or video entry, open that now and get ready to change screen size and field of view values, step by step. Once inside display settings, find screen size, aspect ratio, or field of view controls. These change how much of the scene is visible. Use the directional pad or left stick to nudge values while watching the preview. Small increments prevent distortion. If aspect ratio options exist, pick 16:9 for most TVs. Otherwise, adjust screen size slider to remove black bars or cropped edges. Make sure to apply or confirm changes so the game saves the new view. Some titles require you to press confirm or save. Finalize by saving settings and testing in several game scenes to ensure consistency. If changes don't stick, restart the Roblox app. If still ignored, power cycle the PS4 or reapply display output in PS4 setting sound and screen video output. If the image is stretched or you see black bars, switch between 720p and 1080p to match the TV, then reopen Roblox. As a last resort, update the game and PS4 system software. If issues continue, you can then contact Roblox support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.